Welcome to the IPSC Shotgun World Shoot. This is the French National Shooting Centre, and as you can see, there's absolutely nobody here. First thing you need to do when you arrive here at the National Shooting Centre is registration and gun check. Thank you very much.
David Ashcroft from the IPSC alias?
No.
No? Okay, so shooting modified?
Yep.
Major. Oh, good.
Yeah?
Check that.
Yep.
Yep.
Where's
In
the
the car.
Syrian?
There,
Syrian,
Syrian,
Syrian.
Okay. And then you'll take that one with you to gun check, they'll keep that.
Okay,
Okay,
very
but you
good.
go and see Carolyn to get your tag.
Thank you very much. Hello. I'm here to register.
Yes, you are for pre-match or?
Yes, pretty much too. Yeah.
Ah, David Ashcroft. Did you order ammunition?
No, I didn't. I brought my own ammunition. Thank you very much. I see.
Yes.
Okay, what's
And
next?
Now you go to the gun check. Okay?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Bonjour. Okay. So this is the box, is it?
Yep.
Do you get an audience when you're the only one here?
Yeah. It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
So this is 1320, yeah?
Yep.
So
Should
what's
be.
the number?
I hope so.
The number
Is
is correct.
correct.
Vanillium 3. Okay.
Look like vanilla.
Yeah. So normal what we do is just going from top to bottom. So we have the number, then so the barrel length we do. It's 660 barrel length. 660. Yep. No sides, so we don't do that. Overall length is complying with this, so you can take that. Accessories, there is nothing extra on the gun, I can see. So there's nothing. Other nothing. Second gun is not. Do you use a sling?
No.
Okay, no. Ammo carrying devices. Yeah, it's okay. So,
Oh,
yes.
I also have a...
But that's the 75, that is from the body to the end of the... Yeah, that's also correct. And another one, okay.
It's guards, they're okay?
Oh, we can put that on the other
Other ammunition devices?
ammunitions on arm,
Um,
ammo on arm, or something like that. Arm.
Like this?
Yep. So here, then you fill in that it is checked today. It's the 30th.
30?
Yep.
do you need to
13th.
see chokes?
Yeah.
Those are the chokes.
Yeah.
That, that, and that.
Okay.
Yes, they still
So
drop
you-
in, but that little bit
That's
sticks
the
out,
30
and that
again?
little bit sticks
The
out,
same
and
date?
that bit sticks out. So
Okay.
then it actually acts as a compensator
Yeah.
to the barrel.
And-
You've theoretically now ported the barrel.
Exactly, yeah.
So that's why we need to see the choke, so that
You
we
sign.
don't get a guy in standard.
Can you sign your
or
form, please?
Yep, sure.
Standard shooting a gun that theoretically classifies under open
Thank you very much.
condition.
I've got
No,
you.
no, we keep it.
Yeah, we keep
It will be on your first stage and go with the squad.
Okay.
So you never touch this again. If-
Never ever touch that
No,
again. Alright. So that's the gun check
That's it.
finished.
Yeah.
Very good.
So
Thanks
you
very
can
much.
put it back in the bag.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Pull down.
Thank you. Comply to French law.
Should be closed or what?